Tastes so good, guys. Oh, the Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo. Chicken Basil Alfredo. I'm using pini noodles. It's fine. So we're gonna put the butter. And then we're going to put our chicken there. Either you can use chicken breast. This one is chicken thighs. It's boneless chicken thighs. So this instant pot, you could cook here right hand. You could cook, you could saute, whatever. But this, the Alfredo, Basil Alfredo that I'm going to make the instant meal for the noodles. I'm using the creamy Basil Alfredo because I like this. So we're gonna put together like that. We're gonna put two. That. And then we're gonna put a heavy cream together too. Half cup. So we're gonna put a half cup of cream here and shake so that we're not gonna waste the sauce over there in the bottle. The same in the other one. So the total of 1 cup of heavy cream. Shake it, and then pour over here like that. And then we're gonna use a 1 cup. We're gonna use cream cheese. So we're gonna use a cream cheese. This one, and we're gonna put this, just slice a cube and put there like that, and then a cup of Parmesan cheese. There you go. And then we're gonna wait. So after an hour, this is it. Sorry, honey. This is it. Our Alfredo, Basil Alfredo, hon. Look at that, the chicken. Then we need to. It's fine. Because we're gonna put the noodles there. Oh, that's hot over there. Sorry. But we need to shred the chicken first. It's the chicken. This one. Right. It's better to have a chunk chicken. Well, it's gonna be shredded because it's so soft.
Yeah. Do it however you want.
So after you shredded the chicken, we could put our noodles. Here, I already cooked the noodles.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Oh my goodness. Oh my good. I go like. There you go. And then mix it. See? Yeah. There you go. See? Easy cooking of meal, guys. Alfredo. Look at that. Look at the chicken. Right? This is done. And then we're gonna try what it tastes like the crock pot. The instant pot. Here, we're gonna put our toasted bread. So we're gonna do a presentation. And we're gonna add parmesan on the top. Ta-da! Right? Right hand. Or we could do put green, something green. But this is a cilantro. Well, we could like put cilantro on the top. Ta-da! Guys, it's time to our taste test. Look at that, the instant pot. We call this Alfredo, chicken Alfredo, or Basil chicken Alfredo because we put chicken, right? And look at my ladle. Sorry. There you go. We're gonna try. Han, come on. Let's try over here. I'm gonna set aside the cilantro. Tastes good.
Yeah.
Try it, come. Perfect. This is perfect also, Han, to ano. We can do this for Thanksgiving.
Sure.
It tastes good. So if you like the way I do a instant pot chicken Alfredo, chicken Basil Alfredo, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Try this to your home. It tastes good and easy. Especially kapag may mga ginagawa ka. So you could cook in the instant pot. Marami ka nang magagawa. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment in the comment section. Bye! Kain tayo! I'm so excited!